Welcome to Cardox, your one-stop solution for silo cleaning and blockage removal services. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore how Cardox India can meet your requirements. At Cardox India, we pride ourselves on. With over 30 years of experience, we've established ourselves as leaders in the industry. Our team is dedicated to providing innovative solutions for silo cleaning, bunker cleaning, hopper cleaning, furnace accretion or coating removal and blockage removal in the production line. Cardox combines two highly effective systems to remove blockages and coatings, the Cardox CO2 gas releasing system and the whipping system. Introducing the Cardox system, the solution to blockages. Cardox is a high-pressure CO2 gas releasing system which can be used without human entry in confined spaces. This is typical production line for a cement plant. All the red dots indicated where the blockages occur in feed pipes, kilns, cyclones and silos. Let's talk about a silo. A socket is installed in the area of blockage or a buildup. An tube filled with liquid CO2 is inserted, and a connection is made. Upon an electrical charge, the liquid converts into gas and releases at 40,000 psi pressure to break the coating. Now, let's talk about bin whip. Bin whip is designed to clear wall coating and increase storage capacity and recover dead stock worth millions. The machine is fitted on the silo top and then the whip is lowered using a controller. The whip is attached with modifiable chain hammers which rotate in a continuous motion to clear the coating without damaging the walls. Why choose Cardox India? Here are some compelling reasons. Safety assurance. We prioritize safety in every aspect of our service. Innovation. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge solutions. Customer satisfaction. Our customers speak for us, their success stories are our best testimonials. Ready to experience the Cardox services? Getting started is easy. Visit our website at cardoxindia.in to explore our offerings, request a quote, contact our team. Join the ranks of satisfied clients who have increased their production with Cardox India. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Cardox India. For inquiries, feel free to reach out to us at +91 9321 112 606. Don't forget to visit cardoxindia.in to discover the full range of our services and products. We look forward to partnering with you for success.